Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and this today's video is about the Vista Chain Lube. So no cinematic shot, nothing. I'll just come straight review. So this chain lube, I'm using it from like last 1.5 years, and what I like about this particular chain lube compared to other lubes, this is based on wax, not on like very thick oil. So the wax based lubes attract less dust and less dirt in while riding in rain or in dusty areas. So this is the best part, you don't have to clean it more compared to other lubes. So this has more advantages. So you can see here non-sticky, as I told you, it attracts less dust and dirt, non-sticky, and penetration properties more, and it stays longer for a longer period of time. Also it dries quickly, so no need to worry like when the chain will be dry if you have put more lube also. And it has reduced metal friction and corrosion and anti-wear protection. So overall I like this one, and I can recommend it after using for more than a year because of quick drying and less friction and less spillage also. And this is of like 110 ml and costed me around rupees 220. It is on a bit costlier side, but it justifies the price. Earlier I was using this Maxima chain lube, that is also based on wax, so I generally use wax based lubes. So overall this is good, you can definitely take this. And thanks for watching this video, and take care of yourself. Till then, stay bye.